back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a honey mustard sauce. Just a plain and simple video. Some mayo, some mustard, some granular swerve, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Okay, so I'm going to do about a cup of mayo. I'm going to eyeball it. 1/4 cup of mustard, or I might need some more, all depends. A teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Salt and pepper to your own taste. You know, I don't think I said it's going to be a spicy honey mustard sauce. But mine, well, spicy honey mustard sauce. I probably did say it, but who knows. Cayenne pepper to your taste, or you don't have to put it in there. And some granular swerve. And this goes with your taste buds. How much you want to put in there. And I have a 1/2 cup of confectioner swerve. Not confectioner swerve, granular swerve. I'm going to add a little bit at a time and mix it in to see the sweetness level that I want it at. And then I'm going to just mix it together. Give it a good mix. Alright, let me taste it. It's getting there. I need a little bit more swerve. Okay, let me taste it again. I need a little bit more cayenne pepper in it. And have that little kick to it. Taste it. Okay, I got it. Now all you need to do is just put it in the refrigerator and let it soak up, marinate, and then after that it'll be good. Good to go. I mean, it's good to go now. And there you have it. My keto honey mustard sauce. Homemade. And as always, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.